Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking you through some of the products that would help beginners if they are going to practice makeup on their face, or on your face, or if you are a makeup artist and if you're in the beginning stage, this products will definitely help. And also these were the products that I started using when I initially started wearing makeup on my face. So these were my favorites, and these are like highly affordable. You definitely can get them. These are like 100% affordable, like definitely these are on the affordable range. And so if you guys would want to know what all I have collected in the affordable beginners uh, makeup kit, then please keep on watching this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell icon so that you could be a part of the Frost Squad family. And yeah, let's get started. First thing that you would need in your makeup is, like, I'm gonna concentrate only on the makeup part, not on the skincare. Let me know if you guys would want to see a affordable skincare kit, skincare products, then please leave it in the comment section. I would definitely love to do them. I think I would definitely do them. You guys would be interested. I feel I would be interested. Okay, let's just get away from that. So firstly, for primers, I recommend you guys to use glycerin if you're like completely on the affordable side, and if you don't like really wanted to spend so much on your primer. I recommend you guys to try on a primer, like spend on a good primer. That is like very important. But for beginners, I feel glycerin is like very good. You definitely can use glycerin. And the second option would be aloe vera gel. I know this has been told by all of the beauty bloggers on the internet, but still, aloe vera gel from my side too. So the next thing would be, I don't know if this can be, or if this is being used as a primer, but I think this can also be used as a primer, and I have used this as a primer. So this is the Nivea creme, and this is like quite affordable too. This is a white thick moisturizing cream which is multi-purpose. Like you can use this for different various things. So this definitely can be used as a primer. So that is another option. So if you are into like a primer, like a physical primer, then my favorite would be Calabar. I know this lies on this is for 850 rupees, and you don't get much offers on this on Nykaa as well. This is always 850 or 899 the MRP, but this one is worth the buy. So this one is the Calabar Perfect Match Pore Filler, or the primer. Yeah, Perfect Match Primer. So moving on to foundation, I have quite a few options. So if you are not into full coverage foundations and daily wear makeup, then the first thing that will be there from my recommendation is this one, which is Pond's White Beauty BB Plus Cream. I was in love with this so much. Like I highly recommend you guys to try this on. And the next foundation would be this one from Lakme, which is the Invisible Finish Foundation with SPF 8, and I'm in the shade 04. This is one of my favorite, and this doesn't give you like full coverage, but this is what you will need on a daily basis, or even for parties. Like for beginners, this one is like the perfect one. You definitely can build the coverage using this foundation, and this is like my favorite, like most favorite one. And the next would be this one from Maybelline Fit Me range, which is the matte poreless Fit Me foundation. This is for normal to oily skin, and I'm in the shade 322 Warm Honey. So this is like not my favorite, because this tends to oxidize near this area, at least for me, not for everybody. This is like most of the beauty bloggers favorite foundation is matte poreless, but for me, I am not so much into it. As you guys can see, I have not used much also, but this is like okayish foundation for me, because this is kind of full coverage, like not exactly full coverage, but you definitely can build the coverage using this one. I kind of like this, okay, but this is also affordable. This also lies on the affordable range, so that's also there. And the next is like my favorite, that has to be from Nykaa, which is the Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. And I think this one retails for 575 rupees, and you can buy this from Nykaa website itself. This is like one of my favorite, like favorite, the most favorite foundation of mine is this one. This is like flawless. This gives you no almost full coverage. Like this gives you from medium to full coverage, but still buildable. And also this gives you a natural look. This doesn't look cakey. I love this foundation, and I have a full-on review about this foundation. I'll leave the link to it on the screen, or it'll be there in the description box for you guys to check out. This is my favorite. If you guys haven't tried it, please try it. This is like my favorite. We Fit Me from Maybelline, and I have the shade 25 medium moen, okay, something of that sort. So this concealer is like kind of thick, and this conceals your under eyes and everything like really nicely, but I don't usually use concealers. Okay, moving on to powders. So for powder, my favorite would be like Fit Me is my favorite. I think that I have it in my bag. Yeah, I have it in my bag. Fit Me is there in my bag. So the next thing would be from Nykaa. This is also the Skin Genius range. As you guys can see, I have hit the pan like crazy. I really love this. I hit my so I really like this powder. You definitely have to try this, and this is kind of medium to full coverage powder. And also I have Maybelline Super Fresh. Yeah, Maybelline Super Fresh foundation, compact powder. I think this is in the shade Coral. Okay, this is in the shade Coral. It just makes your face look really fresh. I think today I've used that powder on my face. My face was really oily, so I really wanted something to just make my face look fresh, because I'm filming at 2:30 in the morning. Okay, 2:30 in the morning I'm filming this video, so I really wanted to look fresh, and I used that powder, and I really like how it made my face look. And moving on to contour, highlight and blusher, I don't use so much of them. I usually contour my face very less, and I bronze my face very less. Blush is very occasional. Highlight is like my favorite. I use eyeshadows as my highlight, and if I had to be like use highlighter itself, this is my favorite palette. So this one is from Makeup Revolution. This one palette itself has a bronzer, a highlighter and a blusher. So I really don't like the blusher because this has some sheen to it, which I kind of don't like, but these two are like super cool, and you get everything in one palette. I think this one retails for 850 rupees. And also I'm in the shade Ultra Fair C01 is the shade range. You get all of that, so if you would want to see a swatch, yeah. So this is how the look at the highlighter. Highlighter is my favorite. And if I had to suggest a multi-purpose palette, then this would be that. So you have highlight shades, contour shades from here itself. I use this shade as my highlight and this shade to contour and bronze my face. These two shades is what I use for bronzing and highlighting. And I know there is no blush, and I would recommend you guys to use the Cheeky Glow from Maybelline. As you guys can see, I've just broken that into parts. Yeah, so this is my recommendation for the blusher, and this one is like you can get this one palette and you're done. Moving on to your eyebrows. So when I started doing my makeup, the first thing that I put was eyebrows. Okay, the first makeup that I have ever used on my face is of course kajal. I know that, but like getting into makeup, like I wanted to do makeup and I wanted to learn makeup was with this one, which is from Lakme eyebrow pencil. So this one is my favorite and I love it. This isn't too dark. This one was the first eyebrow pencil that I've ever used, and the next one is from Dazzler. I think Dazzler is there in my bag. Okay, so and the next eyebrow pencil that I would recommend is from Maybelline Fashion Bro cream pencil, and this is in the shade, I really don't know the shade. Okay, this is in the shade brown. So this is also one of my favorite, and this does pretty well. The only thing that I don't like about this is like this doesn't have a sharpener. If it had a sharpener, then this would be like this would be there in my bag. And also nudes palette also can be used for your eyebrows. I used to use these two shades to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, so now that our face is all complete, you gotta set your face with setting spray. I have used facial mist as my setting spray. So for example, I've used the La Roche-Posay face spring water. I think I've used that as my makeup setting spray, and I've used ADS. ADS is not my favorite, and I don't recommend you guys to try that as well. ADS wasn't good to me, and it didn't do anything on my face. Rather, it had some chunks which I totally got irritated. So La Roche-Posay, yeah, was a good setting spray for me, but it is quite costly, so I don't put that into it. So my favorite would be like DIY setting spray, because they are very affordable and also they are easy to make, and you can make big batches and you can customize according to your need. So I have a full-on video about how to make a setting spray. I'll leave it in the description box for you guys to check that out if you haven't checked it yet. And yeah, moving on to kajal. My favorite would be from Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I think the Maybelline is there. Maybelline one is there in my bag. I think all of my makeup is there in my handbag. Next favorite is from ADS. I really love this one from ADS. So I don't. Yeah, this is in the shade black. And my next favorite, like coal kajal pencil, is from the Oriflame one. As you guys can see, how I've used so much of it, and this is the second pencil. Yeah, this is the second pencil. I've already used one or two pencils, and this is the second pencil, and I really like kajal pencils from Oriflame. Try them if you haven't. Okay, and for mascaras, the first priority or first thing would be from Maybelline. Maybelline mascaras are to die for. They have waterproof range. Also, they have no non-waterproof. Like, they have complete range of mascaras wherein you can dig into anything. You can pick anything from their range and use them. They're like so good. And yeah, Essence also has good mascaras, and I love this one from Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara from Essence. This one is for 300 rupees, I guess. Yeah, this is 299 rupees. My favorite one. And from Maybelline, something has to be my favorite, right? And that is this one, which is the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And there is another favorite mascara, which is from Oriflame. I think Oriflame, many Oriflame products are my favorite. I know. There is a pink color mascara is there in Oriflame. I love it. I totally love mascara from Oriflame as well. For lips, anything from Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams are my favorite, and I think they just lie in the range of 200 to 250 maximum, not more than that. You can get them from any online stores or any Instagram stores if you are interested. soft matte lip creams are my favorite, but today I'm wearing a lipstick from Oriflame. I totally forgot the shade. Let me show you the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips. Okay, this is the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips today. So this is from Oriflame, the Lip Sensation Matte Mousse. So this is the shade. I'll show you how gorgeous the shade is. This is the perfect orange shade. And yeah, that wraps up the affordable makeup kit collection for beginners, like the affordable range. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. And if you would want to see a skincare range, like affordable skincare for beginners, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time with another awesome video. Till then, take care. Bye.